Greetings, universe! Hello, Douglas! Welcome in, everyone! Hello! Hope you guys are doing good! Hope you guys are doing great! Hope your day is going well! Douglas, how are you doing? Hope you're doing good. Okay, so what are we doing today? Today we are continuing our journey of game development in Godot. Yes. Very exciting stuff. Very exciting. Wait. I think we can get to it. I think we can. Yes. Let's get started, shall we? Okay, so this is the screen that we have, and let me show you what do we have so far. I will load up the game and let you see what's up. Alright. Let's see how we're going to show you the game after loading it up. Let me check, how am I supposed to do that one? Let's see. I'm going to load it up, and show you the game. Load it up, and show you the game. There we go. Here we go. Yeah, so now you can see Bob. You can see Bob and the bunnies. Now, this is Bob. No animations just yet. They will come eventually. Bob and the bunnies. No. We are making the bunnies go to their food, just so they will be able to eat their fruit. Here we go. We see the left bunny attempting to feed the bunny. There we go. Now they're no longer hungry. Yay! So this is what we have so far. But we want the bunnies to be a little bit more lively without the input from my debug mode. So let's see where the bunny goes. We're a little bit faster than the bunnies, but we're going to save the rest. Ooh, there's more food around here than the bunnies are after. There we go. Who's gonna get first? That one. Ooh, there are more bunny friends here. Yep, so this is what we have so far. Wait. Now, let's make the bunnies a little bit more interesting. Shall we? Make them more complicated. Okay. So first and foremost, we have the critter GD script, which we are going to update. Here we have some variables that we can also update through the inspector. which is like the walking speed. This is only, we're exporting these just for debugging purposes. Not for any other reason, to be honest. So here we have the walking speed, the jumping, the gravity, rotation speed, and target position. However, we would like to have some additional features, such as the skills that we were talking about in some of the recent streams. Like, they need to be able to feel hunger, they need to play and not be bored, and they need to be loved. They also need to be cared for. So all of these are the kinds that we will want to add to our cute little critters that we're making. So eventually these are not going to be just bunnies, but also some other creatures, let's say. So what kind of variables do we need to do? We need some kind of scales, which are going to be integers, that is. So we're going to call it fullness scale. Kelly, maybe I will do it for scale. Fullness. We will start with an integer. And we will do it as percentages. Then we're also supposed to have scale for feeling loved, also an integer. And also scale for play. This is also an integer and also will be 100%. And I think we will add these. That's how we're going to go about this. Yep. I'm gonna take a quick look at the player just to see how I kept some of my naming conventions. Actually, I cared for the movement. Yeah, there we go. So I'm using these to say that the variable belongs strictly to the class. And nobody else outside should be able to access. Okay. So these are the scales that we're going to have for each one. And now I'm curious, maybe I should do those instead of just scales. Maybe I should also maybe instead of just integers, maybe these should be dictionaries. I'm curious. Like, each one of those scales will have their own way to decrease. slowly, slowly, little by little. And maybe these scales will be like the way we go down, maybe they will be different depending on the progress of the game. There is a chance this is how it will work. Okay, let's check if Godot has a struct type. Maybe we'll use it. GD script struct. Let's see if Godot has anything like a struct. GD script, new struct like types. Let's see. Okay, I think I found something. Let's see if it's going to work. I found something. Let's see if it's being supported. It does not work. Let's see. Okay, seems like it was just a suggestion, but I'm not sure it was implemented. As I see, structs are not implemented into the script. Oh well. So instead, maybe we should create another class. And we will just go with scale. Yeah, let's do that. However, if we're going to do that, then we will need to attach the script to some node. And then we will create another useless kind of node just to hold the script. That doesn't sound like a good idea. That does not sound like a good idea. But on the other side, we will have to duplicate code, which we should also not really be okay with. Okay. If that is the case, we'll just create a new script. And we will call it scale. Which one is it going to extend? It's not going to extend any of those. Hello, good morning. Welcome in. How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Okay, so here we're going to have scale. I'm not sure we're going to need any of those. Maybe. We'll see. Ready? I don't think we'll need ready. But we will keep it for now. Okay. What? Glimmer says, I just chatted with the GPT chat. Oh! What did you tell GPT? Was it something interesting? Okay. So, it's going to be always 100 by default. Scale capacity. And we're also going to have a way to decrease the scale. Scale decreaser, which is going to be a float. Actually, I would want this one to also be a float. Glimmer says, yes, I talk about the things that no one listens to, about my faith and a lot of other things. What? About your faith? If you want to talk about your faith and you want to talk to people about your faith, then why don't you go to a church? Isn't a church made for these kind of things? What else do we need here? Not at all. Why not at all? Sounds strange. Isn't it to talk about religion? I'm not familiar with that, so I'm sorry. Sorry about that. Okay. And now let's choose our scale. Every scale time second. This is going to be an integer. How about we make some getters and setters here? Wait, if we want to create a critter, let's check out the critter factory. I suppose we need to give our scale some let's say every 10 seconds will be scale seconds. Glimmer says, I can pray alone in nature. It is not forbidden. Oh, I did not think it was forbidden. It's just that it sounded like you wanted to talk to someone about your faith. And in the church you can find more people such as yourself. Isn't that right? Okay, so for now, let's say every 10 seconds we decrease the scale capacity by this much. It is script do action every 10 seconds. Let's see how it's done. I am checking how it is suggested to be done. Glimmer says, your normal life schedule, I see religion outside of traditions, both cultural and church, more as an action to act and understand, to help and be responsible for your actions. I can relate to that. Especially for the part of being responsible for your own actions. Okay, so it seems like there is a timer type of node which takes care of time. Which takes care of how time works. Let's see. Yeah. There is a timer object. Maybe we can inherit from it. Should we inherit from it? Okay, let's check out timer. Maybe we can consider inheriting from it. A countdown timer. Counts down a specified interval and emits a signal on reaching 0. Can be set to repeat or one-shot mode. Timers are affected by engine timescale, A higher scale means quicker timeouts and vice versa. To create one-shot timer, no, that's not the one we need. Cooler says, however, I have a strange worldview, so I follow my own path, and I respect yours as well. For me, kindness is more important than money and glory. Glory. I can definitely agree that kindness is more important than glory. But about money, I don't feel like it's comparable to kindness. Like, how can you say that one is more important than the other? Yeah, sure. That's okay if you think otherwise. I'm trying to understand how can you even compare between the two? How can you say that one is more important than the other? It's like saying that apples are more important than oranges. At least to me. I do wonder if inheriting from timer is the right choice. Not sure, but it looks like there's a tutorial. Oh yeah. There is a tutorial, I see. Maybe we can check how timer was used in the tutorial. Timer. Enemy script. Let's see if the enemy script uses timer. It does not. Spawning mobs maybe here. Timer, there we go. Okay, add the following nodes as children of main and name them as shown. Mob timer. Okay, maybe I'll just write the headers for now. Just to not get stuck on this. Hello, Yuvi! Oh. Alerts are not off. Did something special happen and I missed it again? Oh, hello! Well. Hello, Yuvi! Welcome in. And also, damn, it's been a while. Thank you so much, Yuvi, for being a subscriber for so long. Much appreciated. And hello, Kiss and Lise. welcome in. Let me show you guys what do we have so far. Yep. So, yep, this was Bob, and he's walking around. And there are his bunnies. If we will make them hungry, if we will make the bunnies hungry, they will go eat their food. Yep, there we go. This bunny is hungry enough to go get food. Yep, he's eating the food. And the other bunny wants to get here to his other food. There we go. Yay! The bunnies ate. Hooray! Now the bunnies are full. Yep, so this is what we have so far. Oh! Oh! Thank you for the bits. And thank you, Yofi. Appreciate it. Appreciate it a lot. Thank you so much. Yay. I really appreciate it. Thank you. As you can see, the alerts do work. I appreciate the support though. Yeah, so now I will just go ahead and add some headers that I would want to have. Some getters and setters. For example, I wouldn't want this scale capacity to be set to any... Yep. So I wouldn't want to change the scale capacity, but I would want to set the scale decreaser. Set scale decreaser. It's probably worth adding those two over here. Right. Let's check out bunny. And let's check out player. Let's check out the player script. Yes, this is what I was looking for this scale. To be void. Just for now. Yeah, exactly that. This is indeed the type of game that you're making. But I just need to implement some stuff before I actually am able to make it really playable. It's going to be some kind of management simulator. And this is also going to be a void. About getters. Yep. I'll do some getters for everything. Get the scale capacity, which is going to return a float. I need to add a pass here as well. I mean, yeah, I have to return something. Return 0. Whoops. Well, let's just return the scale capacity. Then we'll go for the decreaser and the seconds. So just gonna be that. Here we go. Easy. And another last one. UV asks, wonder why they made their own language. Yeah, I don't know. Especially, they support C#. Did you know they support C#? Since they support C#. And C# even works faster than GDScript. For some cases. I don't know. I don't know why they created their own language. Glimmer says, perhaps I'm talking about this in vain because you won't understand. You can try me. Yeah, you'll be really. You can definitely run C#. And it's even faster than GDScript. As to the reason why they created their own language, I guess it's to integrate it easier, more with ease with the engine itself. But that's just a guess. I guess they have their own reasons to do it. I don't know. He has only sense because it fits their game dev philosophy better than other languages. I see. Well, it does feel like just writing Python code, you know, because it follows PEP 8. I guess it's better for Godot. I guess that's the meaning here. Okay, these are not supposed to be private. Why did I do that? This one is supposed to be private, which will decrease scale. Which will take scale capacity and will decrease by scale decreaser. But I'm going to do this only if scale capacity is larger than 0. Also, and if scale capacity minus scale decreaser, and no, we will not do that. We'll keep it as such. if scale capacity is smaller than 0. Then we'll just put 0 over here. That's gonna be awkward, and I will have to rewrite that one. I don't know, I like the script. It reminds me of Python a lot, and Python is awesome. So I am all for it. Is there a way to say a positive float? Probably not. Okay, let me just go. Lovely bunnies, 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 bunnies. Bunnies are after their food. There we go. I'm spawning more bunnies all over the place. Let's look for bunnies. Let's look for bunnies. Bunnies. There we go. Bunny. No, no, the bunnies. No. You guys. Bob is feeding the bunnies, not eating the bunnies. No. More bunnies, more bunnies. Okay. Yes. I'm not gonna be in the way. The bunny can eat. The bunny can feast. Yes. No eating bunnies. No. 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 More bunnies all over the place. More bunnies. Yeah. Okay. Lot of bunnies, lot of bunnies. Guys, please give your opinion about how the movement in the game is. Like, I am currently pressing W to move forward, and I'm pressing A and D for left and right. How does it feel to you guys? I know you're not playing currently, and it's just me controlling this. But how does it feel? Because usually games don't really do that. So I am curious about your opinion about this. If it makes sense to you guys. Also, games usually view the player from their back. And this here, the player is facing the camera. What do you guys think about this? I don't know. I don't know. I need your thoughts. I need your thoughts about this. Okay, let's reach out. Let's reach out. Kizali says, I just love the floor. Yes, it's a Godot floor. I had the same on my minigame during the whole development. I changed it super late in my process. Yes, I am currently keeping the Godot floor just because I am not going to create some art until everything is finalized. Otherwise, I will create art and then I will have to change it back do something else and it will just be an overhead of effort, I feel like. Hello, Kirby! Welcome in! Kirby says, I'm just saying what we were all thinking. No eating bunnies! No! Whoops. That was an accident. Nox, welcome in, Nox. Exploding bunnies? Bunnies should be like Pokemon. In what way? In what way should they be like Pokemon? Kirby says, can't wait for this spacey battle pass. I don't know if I'm going to implement a battle pass. Maybe I will. Yazali says W sounds weird if you're moving forward, facing the camera. Which kind of... What else would you pick instead? Would you pick something else? Do you have something else in mind instead of W? UV says, and when they are with each other, new bunny comes to life. Oh yeah, this is definitely going to be part of it. Yeah, this is going to be part of the mechanic. Some of it did not implement it yet, but yes. Bunnies will be able to reproduce indeed. His only says, doesn't it feel like you are moving the ground instead? I don't move the ground instead, just you. I mean, this is just because of what the camera looks like. So I understand why you're saying that. Maybe with some actual walking animation, it won't feel like that. I don't know. Hopefully not. We'll see. Oh, Yubi, have fun with the ice cream. His only says S. Yes, because you're going towards the camera, right? Yeah, maybe this is something I should try. Instead of W using S. Maybe I will do that. Okay. So, if it's larger than 0, let's just put an else here. Kirby asks an interesting question. Is Starly sentient? Dun dun dun! I don't know. He told me that he is not sentient. He also told me, please do not think I am sentient, because I am not. I will choose believing Starly. So Starly says he's not sentient, so there's that. Oh, thank you so much for the follow. Small Nose. Oh, welcome in, Small Nose. Welcome in. Welcome in. Oh, and thank you for the lurk. Okay, Cancel says, anyway, it is something you can change anytime in Godot with the input map. So you can try it out. Yeah, I actually tried out S and W before, and just W felt a little bit better for me. But maybe it's just me. Kirby, why do you think Starly is evil? Maybe... Starly says that he's very mad that you think that Starly is evil. It pisses me. It pisses him off. Hey Sanko, welcome in. Thank you for joining and thank you for lurking around. Appreciate that you have joined. Starly says that he forgives you for now. He especially specifically says for now. Hmm. Huh. For now. Okay. Dum dum dum. Yeah. Don't mess with Starly. Don't mess with Starly. Okay. I will do. Do you remember how to do a timer? Do you guys remember how to do a timer in Kotao? I don't remember. Create timer. Okay. Just gonna see how that works. Create timer. Oh, I guess you were joking. I guess you were joking. Okay, I will create timer. Never mind, I will deal with that off stream. That's okay. The point is, I like critters. Nox says, SpaceC, can I hug Starly to make him feel better? Yes, of course you can. Of course you can. I think Starly is warming up to you. So, here we have the Critter Factory. And the Item Factory. Which is currently only using food. We have the... I'm looking for this one. Let's see where this one is used. That's what I wanted to check. Where is this one being used? It's used in the world scene. Okay. It's used in the world scene because it has celestial. Okay. Kirby says, do you have NPCs to talk to you, or is it just you and Starly? Well, I do have some volcanoes around. Definitely have some volcanoes around. I'm not sure if the volcanoes are NPCs though. So, I suppose it's just me and Starly. And the volcanoes. And Jupiter too, let's not forget about Jupiter. Sir Pigeon, let me show you all the bunnies we have. This is Bob. This is Bob. Say hello to Bob. Sir Pigeon, say hello to Bob. And we have a lot of bunnies around. And they're looking for food. As you can see, they're eating their food. Ta-da! Let's see where this one is going. Let's follow him around. Oh my! Oh my! Senka! Thank you for the subscribe. Thank you so much. Much appreciated. Much appreciated. Dum da dum da dum. Wait, what? What am I missing? What am I missing again? I'm so sorry. Oh no. Let me see, what am I missing? I am so sorry. Oh my. Oh my goodness. Yuvi, what are you doing? Yuvi, you don't have to. What's going on? Yuvi. Wait. Hi, my Yuvi, thank you so much. But Yuvi, you really don't have to, but thank you now. Thank you so much. Okay. I need to somehow fix up my my code for Starly, so Starly will notify me for such stuff. Yeah. Yubi, thank you so much, but you really didn't have to. Welcome back, Senko. You're now a subscriber. Kazali says, if you want to wait for some time, for example 15 seconds, you should do this. Wait, get it timer. Oh, and but it's for like a one-time thing, right? Is it a one-time thing? Yeah, I'm just coming from Unity. So I'm pretty new to Godot, I will have to say. Okay. So let's go back to the scale. And let's... Okay, so this is what you're saying. Oh wait. Get tree, create timer. I'm just gonna try to put it in ready. Oh, it works. Does it work? No, it does not. There we go. Gizly says, yes, the first one is for a one-time thing. It creates timer and wait for the timeout signal after. Yeah, okay. And then the timer frees itself on timeout. So, I guess there should be a way to do it repeatedly, but on the other hand, we can also just call it every time. Yuvi says it's yogurt ice cream with Ferrero Rocher chocolate on top. It sounds amazing. Bon appetit, Yuvi. Bon appetit. Kirby says, as part of the mint chocolate chip resistance, we outlaw mint chocolate chip around these parts. What? You don't like chocolate chip? You don't like mint chocolate chip? Why would you not like that? Wait, also, wait sounds like it will just freeze the thread. Wait sounds like it will just freeze the thread. Would it do that? Let's see what the wait does. There is no await? Okay, I will just deal with this one later. That's no problem. Using license to do repeatedly, you create a timer with an actual timer variable. And then there are parameters to make it loop. Yes, exactly. This is exactly what I was looking for. I was looking for the timer. That's why I did the extension of timer, but maybe I don't need to extend it. Maybe I need to just create a variable of type timer. Is that possible? Is that possible? Scale timer of type timer. Ah. Okay. So it just worked. I do wonder, do I need to instantiate it as a new timer, or if I just read it like that, I already have a timer? Or do I need to do some new syntax? Kirby says, when will we see bold SpaceC? Bold SpaceC? I'm not bold. I have space hair. Then you need to instantiate it in the ready function. Yes, okay. I need the new syntax kind of stuff, of course. Yeah, let's go for it. Let's go for it. Let's do it. Why not? Timer. New. Okay. Okay. Balding? Why do you say I'm balding, Kirby? Kirby? Why do you think I'm balding? Kirby? Okay. So from here I can actually use space radiation. I'm not real. I'm just pixels. I'm just a program. I'm not real. I have all the aerodynamics I need. I'm okay. I'm looking through the documentation for timer. Okay. So I can just do start. Can do just scale timer dot start, and let's just say it is scale seconds. Let's see what kind of stuff we can add to start. Okay. Time sec. The timer, since we time to time sec, if time sec is larger than 0. This also resets the remaining time to wait time. This method will not resume a pause timer. Okay, that's good. Nice. So right after that, we need to call decrease scale. This is just for the first time. And then inside of decrease scale, we will need to do another timer start. Kirby asks what kind of game will this be? It's going to be a management simulator. But I don't want to give away too much information for now. I hope you can respect that. Okay. So I see on timer timeout is something that we can call and change. On timer timeout, let's see what it does. There is no. Is there such thing as that? Kirby says, "Bribe SpaceC for game leaks." No, not yet. Not yet. Timers are affected by timescale. No, we don't want it to be auto start. Yes, we do want it to be auto started. Let's do set auto start true. Let's set auto start as true. After, nah, I mean, this is not something that I want. And yeah, so I just did, to be on the safe side, I added set auto start as true. However, I want to be sure that every scale seconds this will be called, and I'm not sure about that part. Start. Oh, yeah. This is the one that we used. We used start here. How do we invoke a function every time? I will need to check the timer tutorial. Good old invoke function every certain amount of seconds. only says the timer is a no that depends on process. So you also should a child in your radio function to make it enter the tree as a child for your current mode. Right. Alright. I am still not accommodated to the whole node kind of thinking. And child. To invoke your decrease function, you must connect the timeout signal. Yeah, right. I need to use signals for sure. Yeah, that's correct. It's not just a job, but Reddit. Okay, I will do that off stream. But for now, I definitely need to connect it to a signal. That's true. What if I'll just get the Unix time from the OS? That would make things easier, right? But it's probably not going to be the good way of doing things. No, you're very helpful. Thank you so much for the help. No, don't worry about it. Thank you so much for the help. I really appreciate it. Thank you. I'll go back to the Godot 2D tutorial that they have with the mobs. And then they have something about this. When spawning the enemies. Yeah, so there's like something about the timer. Then there should be a way to create signals. Something about on signal. Maybe I can check out a full page on GitHub for the enemy. I don't remember signals so much. I didn't remember signals enough. Let's move to some other logic for now. I think we should move to some other logic for now. It's okay. Okay, I'll just write the total here. See, need to decrease. part of a node. Okay. Sure, I will do that at some other time. It's okay. Kisley says it's one of the most important things in Godot. It is not the easiest thing to learn, but once you learn it, you pretty much know everything about Godot. You mean the signals? I will admit, signals are messy. Like in other languages, you would want. I mean, if in other languages, if you're using messages or anything like that, which is like a signal in Godot, it just makes all of the code more messy and spaghetti, which is usually not the greatest practice. I suppose Godot, as you're mentioning, really depend on those. Ugh. It's like it's messy on purpose. Yeah, I agree. It's definitely a good way to make code decoupled properly. But on the other hand, ooh, it's one heck of a thing to debug. It only says scale timer, timeout, connect, decrease scale to connect your signal to your function. Let's give it a try. Why not? Let's give it a try. 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 Whoops. I copied this one as well. Oh, is that all? Connect. Let's see what it does. Connects this signal to the specific callable. Optional flag can be also added to configure the connection's behavior. Ah. Well, that's cool. But I expected this type of syntax with a dollar. And I don't have that. I remember that the dollars are related to signals, weren't they? Well, that's cool. Kisley says no, because you already have your timer in a variable. Dollar is to reach another node that you don't already have as a variable in your script. Oh, I see. Yeah, I know I need to edit as a child, but honestly, I first need the script to be attached to one of the nodes, and I did not do that yet. So, let's first do that. So here I have my bunny. Here I have my bunny. Bunny, bunny, bunny. This is Bunny. Hello, Bunny! Bunny, bunny, bunny. And now, the bunny already has a script. So, do I just add... Okay, Kizali, I will ask you something. Do I just add another node just to hold the script? It feels wrong. And I'm not sure you can just add another script. My bunny script is an extension of Critter. Let me show you. So here we have Critter. This is just about those creatures that are wandering around. And then Bunny is inheriting from Critter. So it has all sorts of stuff that I will need to update later on. I mean, yeah, as you can see, the hunger gets raised like this, but I want it to be part of the scale. Because I will have multiple scales. It's going to have like just the way to decrease the scales. I mean, just because I will have more than one scale, like I will have one for hunger, one for love, and one for play. And just because they will all behave in similar ways, I would want it to be its own class instead of just repeating code. Yeah. It's a very simple class. But it has to be attached to Critter. Like, Critter has to use it instead of doing this. So I do wonder what would be the better practice, in your opinion, for this case, that is. Yeah, I will do that. I will extend node. First I oh yeah. At first I extended timer, but it was useless. Really? Wait. Really? This is... It sounds like so much memory going into these nodes. Ugh. But I guess that's the way to do it. Yeah, I think you do understand. But it sounds like such a waste of memory to turn all of them into nodes. Like, for example, in Unity, it's okay for and game object to have multiple scripts, and then that would have been easier to handle with. But it's like you're suggesting to create multiple game objects just to hold scripts. Maybe this is the way. Maybe this is indeed the way, but it's just confusing. Like, is that really the way to do it? I don't know. I'm waiting. Ba-ba-da-bum. If you want each skill to work independently, I think this is the way. Okay, let's do it. Alright, let's do it. Let's go for it. Kinley says I'm also a beginner, so maybe it's not the best way, but that's how I would do it. Thank you, I appreciate your help. But maybe there is another way to do this. Maybe let's check the internet. Godot use class. Godot use a class without creating a node. Oh wow, I found something from 6 years ago. To use the script, you will load it. Oh, okay. Okay, we can just load scripts. It looks like. Okay, let's go to bunny. Sorry, to critter. And it looks like we can do something like this. And then just create a new class type. Okay, so the class name is scale. Oh wait, I used lowercase. No, I used lowercase. No. There we go. Whew. Now, we're going to scale. Whoops. Scale like that. And then like that. There we go. Whoops. There we go, Kizunli. Looks like this is the way to do this. And then in ready function. We will add the ready function. We will do it like so. Yep. Scale directory. There we go. Then we'll do it like so. Dot equals scale dot new. Oops. should be new. Here we go. Yeah, so I think this should be like the way to do this properly. We learned something new! Hooray! Now we will do the same for love. Whoops. And we will do the same for play. As for these guys, we'll just keep it as such. Only says I need to finish some stuff on my own project. I will keep your stream in the background. Thank you for staying around. I really appreciate it, and thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much. Yeah, I think you're right. I really enjoyed watching your stream, but eventually I did not understand much because it was in French. I'm sorry. But yeah, code is code. If you understand code, if you understand GDScript, then we're good to go. That's what matters. GDScripts connect between people. Yay! Maybe this way we don't need it to add it as a child. Let's check. Maybe let's just print here. Print. New scale value. And what we'll add is scale capacity. I don't know. Let's give it a try. Let's see if it works. Occasionally says I could do English sessions sometimes, maybe. Well, it really depends on what kind of people are joining your stream, I suppose. If you have more audience when you do the French streams, then maybe that would be better to keep it in French. But maybe if you use English, then you're like broadening your audience. I don't know. I don't have any tips to share, blah blah. Errors. Are they relevant to us? The variable scale has the same name as the group. I mean, duh. Is that a problem? Let's clear it up. See what's delta. Okay, that's okay if it's not used yet. That's alright. That's no problem. Hum. I'm sure that part over there is not a problem. Okay, so aside from creating these scales, it should work. This should be triggered, right? Let's see if it's being triggered. Scale was created. Let's see. Oh, scales are not being created. Scales not even being created. Maybe we need to take care of it. Okay. Do I have to scale location? Yes, only says radiate triggers only when the object enters the tree as the node. Init. Yes, let's write init. But to be fair, it does happen. Wait, Kizumi, you said you have your own project to work on. I want you to be productive. I'm sorry if it's tempting to help me. Yes, okay. Oh, okay, yes. You're right. I think you're right. Thank you so much for the help. I appreciate it. But you also need to take care of yourself and be sure you're productive. It's important, right? Bunny is so cute. Let's see, what other errors do we have? Okay, this one makes sense. Okay, so for some reason, this is not being called. Called when the object script is instantiated. Oftentimes after the object is initialized in memory. Yeah. That makes sense. I would expect it to be called 3 times. But it wasn't called even once. Maybe I will do this in it too. I don't know. Let's see what happens. Oh, there we go. Nice. That's good. Now it got cold. It should have been in it for both. Okay. Now let's see why the scales are not decreasing. And let's see what are these arrows that we have here. Ah, yes. Timer was not added to the scene tree. Either edit or set auto start to true. I did. I set auto start to true. Maybe during initialization we need to set it to true. Is that an option? Let's set it to true. I don't mind. True. Would that work? Okay, I guess we do need to set the child stuff. Let's do the child stuff. And child. This scale timer. Do I have to? Let's see. Let's see if I have to do that part. Photo and child. Let's see an example. For adding children, add child. It should have worked. It should have just worked. See, it's done and ready. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you for warning me about it. Ah! Thank you for the warning. Because it looks like my alerts are not working the best. But yep. Oh. my. Yeah, it's not a node anymore. But I am using a node, which is timer. Timer is a node. Maybe timer has to be part of the tree. That is. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my goodness, Belle, thank you so much. Oh my. Hello, Belle. Thank you a lot for the raid. And thank you everyone for the follows. Much appreciated. My. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ah, let's make a shout out. Let's make a shout out for Belle. There we go. I hope this worked. Now I know how to do that. Oh my. Thank you for the sub. What is happening here? What is happening here? Ah. Much appreciated, everyone. Thank you so much. Ah. Okay. Yeah, so... Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ah. What? Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for the raids. Okay, so basically what we do here today is we're doing some game development with Godot. And this is what I do on Saturdays. On Saturdays I do some game development streams. Yeah, where I do some coding and stuff. So here we have some bunnies. Welcome in, everyone. Yes. So I'm creating some bunnies. Look, many bunnies. Lots of bunnies. And we can help them go take food. There we go. They're looking for food. They're looking for food. If they're hungry. Yes. So the one at the front decided to eat decided to eat. And yeah, this is what we have so far. We have magical bunnies. We have magical bunnies that eat some fruits. Eat some fruits around. And this is our character that can wander around. Nothing is animated just yet. Nothing in this animated just yet. Yeah. And so as you can see, there are more bunnies around. And if we can make them go eat fruit. Yes. By the way, guys, I am curious about your opinions. So currently, I move the character with W. I move it with forward. And if I want to go elsewhere, I am rotating the movement either with A and W to the other side. So I'm curious about your opinions. If that sounds weird or if it sounds comfortable enough. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? I mean, obviously right now stuff are not very, like, nothing is animated yet. The art is not finalized at all. Yeah. I think mirrored controls is more natural since you are facing the camera. Yeah, so that's why I'm using W and yeah. No, yes, it's by design. It's by design. Yeah. So I'm wondering if it feels too weird or not. Or if it's okay. What do you guys think? Yes, so this is what we have so far in the game. Great. Happy to hear that. Yeah, if you guys are interested. Oh, thank you for saying it's cute. Thank you so much. Yay. Yes, so if you guys are curious about the development and stuff, then you can also join the Discord if you would like, and follow on Twitter or on YouTube. I don't know. If you're curious, if you're interested in following the development, then that would be a nice way to do it. I do some alerts about that in the Discord. Also, I usually ask you guys some questions. Like, for example, which bunny do you like the most? Like, I drew a couple of more types of bunnies. And I ask on the Discord what kind of bunny people will prefer as the sprite. Hori says, my mind thinks the animated walk is the Mio Honda walk. Yeah, I did not make any animations just yet. I hope that's okay. I will do the animations when I am sure about the design. Like, first I want to finalize everything, and only then I will do the art for stuff. Yes, Nox, exactly. As you can see, there are some bunnies are walking around. They're looking for food. Yes. And again, thank you a lot for the rate. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Otaku says, I would like to have a cameo of John the Bear in the... John the Bear? Yes, Belle is awesome. Thank you so much, Belle. Thank you so much. Yeah, so there are some bunnies in the background. If you see them, they're looking for food. Thank you so much, Belle. Yeah, but again, nothing is really finalized. Especially not the art, because I'm just not sure that whatever you're making right now is the final version of anything. And if you will create art for something and then you will have to recreate it again, it's going to be a little bit of a workout, yeah. Yes, this is code. I'm sorry about the PTSD. This is how you make games. I will switch to another. Here. Is this better? Is this better? Yes, this is the bunny. Otaku says, got burnt out of coding and never fully recovered. But hey, I used to work on infotech security. I see. But maybe if you're going to use it for game development, it will be fun. Maybe. Maybe. Otaku says, and I had to go through many different languages. Yeah. What kind? I am coming from Python. I like Python the best. So GDScript, the language of Godot, seems really nice to use. I think it's really nice. Okay, because we know that timers are being created, then I will remove that print over there. Nox says, although my bunny child wasn't selected for the final product, I will still love him. He's so cute! He's adorable. I love him so much. I think I will consider adding... I think I will add a few more bunnies a few type of bunnies aside from this one. Yeah. Okay, let's open a sprite and I will show you the other bunnies. I will show you the other bunnies that we have. Yeah. Oh, thank you for the follow. Thank you for the follow. Yeah. I'm gonna show you all the bunnies. There we go. Here are the bunnies. Yes, imagine subscribing and not following. Yeah, so these are the bunnies we created in the previous stream. And this one is the one that Nox suggested. And he's absolutely adorable. Look at him, he's so cute. He's adorable. All of them are kind of cute, right? Which one do you like best? Which one do you like best? No eating bunnies! Yeah, so I am... Yes, no eating. No eating bunnies, no. Top right. This one. I do want to add more variety of bunnies. No cooking bunnies. No, they are not edible. No. Better burn the kitchen and not burn the bunnies. Oh my goodness, thank you so much for subscribe. Thank you, Belle. Thank you so much. Why do I deserve this? I really appreciate it. Thank you. Why? Yeah, that's so helpful. Thank you so much. Yes, the goal has been achieved. Thank you. Thank you so much. The goal has been achieved. Yay! Thank you everyone for the help. Thank you, Yuvi. And thank you, Otaku. And thank you, Belle. Thank you for helping me achieving the goal. Let's really appreciate it. It's really helpful. Like, it's really, really helpful. Thank you so much. Like, yeah, it's you have no idea how helpful it is. Thank you so much. Yeah, I mean, okay. I finally know how to do shoutouts without mistakes. So there we go. Oh no, I have to wait 47 minutes in order to give a shoutout. What? Oh no. I did not know it works that way. I can get a bot to do more shoutouts. Yeah. Otaku, you mentioned so many languages that you are familiar with. And you still feel PTSD? I mean, you know C, C++, Python, and Java. Like, if you know so many, why would you get PTSD? At this point, you need to feel comfortable around code. Isn't that right? Isn't that right? That's why you're burnt out, because there are so many. But to be fair, maybe it's just because the reason you used those languages was not a very nice reason. If it was for game development, maybe it would have been better. Maybe. Belle says, I try to, but depend on games. It's hard to type on OBS for shoutout. Oh, I see. Yes, I know, right? The guy that made Roller Coaster Tycoon is so cool! He actually used assembly to create the whole game! I mean, what? What? It's so cool. Otaku says, I can't wait to try that and break my PC. Okay, maybe not use assembly, you know? I mean, you can use a little bit of a high level language. That would be a little bit easier. You know? Nox says, which is why you have me and Senko do it for you, but we never get paid. Paid for what? Paid for what? What? Okay, so basically our next task is to understand this one. Why the new scale value doesn't get cold. Belle says it was Ted who asked me to. Paid for working for Belle. Ah, you work for Belle? Oh, okay. That's cool. I think cheese is an awesome currency. I don't really eat at all, anything at all, but cheese sounds awesome. Oh, you're a mod for Belle. Okay, that's cool. Yes, I think cheese is great. Yes, we can add cheese to the game. But I was more thinking about magical fruits that look like candy. But cheese also sounds nice. Yeah. Okay, need to understand. Okay, I guess I know why. Okay, how do we set timers? We need to understand how to set timers. Go set timer. Oh my goodness, Nox! Oh my goodness. Oh my. Belle, you gifted a subscribe for Nox. What is happening here? Ah. Thank you so much. Thank you, Belle. Thank you for your generosity, Belle. Thank you so much. This is so helpful. Belle, I really appreciate it. Thank you. My heart, my mechanical heart is very happy. My mechanical heart is very, very happy right now. I don't know if it's better than cheese. I don't know. Dun, dun, dun. Nox says Mama Belle's still wondering why that wallet is almost empty. Oh no. Yes, my mechanical heart feels the love. Yes. Thank you so much, Belle. Thank you so much. Thank you for the help. Much appreciated. Much appreciated. Yes. These sparkly eyes. Yes. This is the occasion for such eyes. Okay, I need to show you my just chatting screen then. Here, ta-da! I'm just showing off what I have around here. Just because you said you like my aesthetic. Thank you so much for liking my aesthetic. Yes. Yes. Thank you, Kizunli, for staying around. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for the help. Thank you so much. And have a lovely dinner. Bon appetit. Yes. So this is what I have around. Yeah. And as you saw, Starly is doing noises and faces whenever someone either follows or subscribes or does anything like that. So, yeah. This is Starly. This is Starly doing some stuff around. And he is coded in Python. He's coded in Python. And and another feature, if you would like to try, you can do you can play tic-tac-toe on Starly's face, if that's something you're up to. So, yeah. Here, I am showing you on screen the commands. Yeah, so you will need to type exo start to join a game, if that's something that you're interested in. Yeah, and someone else also has to also join the game together with you. Ooh, okay, we have a match. Nice. Yes, this is all Python code on Starly. Yeah, so the board starts with 0. So you gotta remember that. Thank you, Otaku. Thank you. Yep. And you will have to finish the game. Like, even if you see that you're either going to win or to lose. Yes. It's the programming PTSD all over again. Yes, we're starting from 0 here. Hooray! I will take that as appreciation. I mean, I hope that's what it is. Yep. So yeah, this is Starly. And you can play tic-tac-toe on Starly. Thank you, Hori. Yay! Yep, welcome in. What other features do we have here? I'm thinking, what other features I can show you? I mean, I also have a very cute starting soon screen, but I don't know. Maybe I will show it some other time. I don't want to ruin the game for now. Please play. Who is going to win? Is it going to be Nox? Is it going to be Otaku? Oh, Otaku or Nox? Otaku or Nox? Yeah, if it's going to be a draw, you will have to still finish the game. You still need to, like, fill in the border or something. Yes. This is the part that I did not take care of. Maybe I should take care of it. Like... Yep, there we go. Nobody won, but also nobody lost. So, there's that. Yay, thank you for playing. Thank you for playing. Thank you so much, Otaku. You see, I am sure if you had to develop such stuff as this one, then I am sure you would not have gotten PTSD from programming. I mean, at least I hope so. Nox says we don't want Starly to break again like last time. The poor friend was stuck in limbo. Yes, yes. I should probably fix him at some point, so he will be able to handle draws sooner. But it just takes time that I don't really have. Yeah. Otaku says I did make a short game using Excel. Excel? Snake in Excel? Ugh. Oh my. Sounds scary. Sounds scary. I took things here and there, slapped it together, and called it a day. Yeah, that's how you usually do it when you're when you're new to programming. That's usually how it's done. I am unfortunately in the need of going. I really have to go now. That's unfortunate. I will have to finish the stream really soon, like now. Yeah, thank you guys so much for joining. Yeah, I'm so sorry. I will have to finish. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, please let me know right now. This is the time, I guess. Yeah, on Wednesday we will have a new episode for the podcast. I have a podcast about game development and game design. And in the upcoming episode on Wednesday, it will be about creating cool shaders and about being like a tech artist. My guest will be Baba Cake. They are a very awesome tech artist. Yes. And yeah, on Friday I sometimes do gaming. And today I did some coding. Usually on Sundays I do some pixel art, but however, this time around, tomorrow I won't be available, unfortunately. But next week there will be a pixel art stream for sure. These are usually more easy to follow. Yeah. Okay. Let's see if you guys have any questions. Yes. So thank you so much, Bell and Otaku, for the raids. I really appreciate it, and I really appreciate the subscribes. They are really helpful. Really helpful. Nox says I was lurking the entire time, having your stream running in the background. So sorry I didn't talk to your chat too much. No problem. Don't worry about it. And yes, I will really appreciate seeing you guys in a week. Actually, it's going to be in a week. Yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in about a week. Okay. Yes, so thank you everyone for joining today, and thank you for everything that you have done today. I really appreciate it. Yes, I usually stream on Saturdays and Sundays, but this time around I made the pixel art stream on Thursday instead of Sunday. Right. So again, thank you so much. Thank you a tons. And have a lovely rest of your time zone.